In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, select an app that you wish to use in this view, in my case Gallery. Now you need to click on this button with 3 lines in order to access background apps. Then tap on the icon of your app and select Open in Pop-up View. As you can see, after that I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. You can also use it overlay the other app by tapping on the other app and operating in both. In order to make your app smaller, click on Home button. You can access it by tapping on the bubble. If you wish to close it though, you need to hold it and drag it to remove section, then let go, or just swipe it up in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!